Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing your data, backup photos, contacts, and app settings to Google or an SD card. Once complete, make sure your phone is charged above 50% and on Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Now go to Settings, then System or General Management, look for Reset or Erase options. Tap Factory Data Reset or Erase all data and read the device list. When ready, confirm. The phone will restart into the reset sequence and begin wiping user data. Once the standard reset doesn't complete, use recovery mode to take control. Power off, then hold the correct power plus volume buttons for your model. When the boot menu appears, navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. You do this because recovery bypasses some software locks and repairs corrupt partitions. After confirming, the system will execute wipe commands and clear caches. Make sure you wait until the process finishes, since interrupting can leave. You finish by choosing Reboot System now. The first boot may take several minutes as services rebuild. Make sure to sign into your Google account and restore backups once you reach setup. If the phone gets stuck, go back into recovery to clear cache partition or reflash stock firmware using official tools. This fixes persistent boot loops. And if you encounter factory reset protection, you must use the original Google credentials. Otherwise, seek the device owner proof and manufacturer support to regain access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.